Welcome back to Home Decor channel. If you are looking for simple, stylish and space-saving ideas for your bathroom, you are in the right place. Today we are going to explore one of the most underrated but super useful home decor elements, the bathroom corner shelf. From organizing your essentials to adding a touch of elegance, corner shelves can truly transform your bathroom space. Bathrooms often have limited space, and that's where corner shelves come in. They make use of vertical space and those awkward corners that usually go unused. Whether you have a large bathroom or a compact one, a well placed corner shelf can create extra room without cluttering the area. Plus, with so many designs available from glass and metal to wood and plastic, there is something for every style and budget. They are perfect for storing toiletries, towels, plants, candles, or even just decorative pieces that bring life to your bathroom. Let's look at some popular styles of corner shelves. Floating shelves, sleek and minimal. They give a modern look and are easy to install. Tiered shelves, great for holding multiple items. These are ideal for family bathrooms. Glass corner shelves, they add elegance and a clean, airy feel to your space. Corner shower caddies. These are usually waterproof and can be placed inside the shower for soaps and shampoos. Built-in corner niches, a more permanent solution, often added during renovations. When choosing a shelf, consider the materials. Metal and glass work well in modern setups, while wooden shelves and warm to rustic or farmhouse style bathrooms. Now for some tips on placement and styling, install shelves at different heights to create visual interest. For smaller bathrooms, keep the shelves light and minimal to avoid a cramped look. Use matching containers or baskets to organize items neatly. These keep things functional and stylish. Add a small plant or diffuser to bring freshness into your space. Make sure to keep heavy items on the bottom shelf and lighter decor on top for balance. Lighting is also key. A small wall light or mirror near the shelf can enhance the overlook. And there you have it, bathroom corner shelves that are not just practical but also decorative. With the right design and styling, you can turn even the smallest corner into a beautiful and organized space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.